Hi everyone. Today let me discuss about trading mechanism of foreign exchange market. In short, we call it as forex. So what is this foreign exchange market? The market determines the value, which is also known as exchange rate. Already in my previous sessions I have explained about exchange rate, how exchange rate is determined, the market determinants I have explained in detail. So it determines the value which is known as exchange rate, one of the majority of all the currencies. Foreign exchange can be as simple as changing one currency for another at a local bank. So if you want to buy a particular currency, either you can go to exchange banks and buy the currency. It can also involve trading currencies on the foreign exchange market. So and in the counter also you can buy the securities. While trading in foreign exchange market, the market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week across major financial center across the globe. That means you can buy and sell securities at any time during the day. So it is open for 5 days in a week. Any person can trade in foreign exchange market in forex from any corner of the world. The foreign exchange market isn't exactly a one-stop shop. That means it's not only over the counter where you can trade with currencies, but there are a variety of different avenues. Avenues means ways where an investor can go and execute his foreign exchange trades. That is where other ways of buying and selling of foreign exchange market, forex. For example, even he can go to bank and buy the currency, or he can go to any exchange outlet, currency exchange outlet with a brokerage. For example, Thomas Cook. It is one of the famous dealers in foreign exchange. There also you can go and trade with foreign currency. So from a historical standpoint, if we see, foreign exchange was once only the concept for government, large companies to trade. But today, on the click of a button, any person can trade in currencies from any corner of the world. From any corner of the world. But in today's world, trading currency is very easy. Many investment firms offer the chance for individuals to open accounts and to trade currency however and whenever they choose. So they have that liberty to do it. When we are making trades in the forex market, you are basically buying and selling the currency of a particular country. But there will be no any physical movement of money from one hand to another. So physically you will not exchange the money. It is only to transfer. Electronically it happens. Physical outflow of cash will not be there. So for example, on the best possible simple example, think of a tourist visiting Times Square in New York City from Japan. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬ ಜಪಾನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಜಾಪನೀಸು ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಟಿನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟಾಗ he wants to travel to New York. So what he will do, he will go to one of the exchange bank and exchange his currency. Say for example, Western Union money outlet. There he goes and transfers the currency. He will give his country's currency. Japanese currency is yen. For US dollars. New York is in US, therefore he will exchange it for US dollars. So he is converting his yen to US dollars to spend that money, that is dollars, while traveling in US. So if he wants to see New York, this is an example how a foreign exchange trade happens. A simple example. To precise more on that, let me take another example. If I short sell 1000 USD dollars as on today. Exchange value per dollar is rupees 75. So 1000 USD dollars na ನಾನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ by selling the 1000 US dollars at rupees 75. Therefore, the total value of this contract is 75,000. 1000 into 75 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 75,000, which is short sell position. After 1 month, if the value of 1 USD is 73 rupees, then I will end up paying only 73,000 rupees for that particular contract, because that day's currency value, USD value, was rupees 73 rupees, which will result in rupees 2000 profit for me. So I will be gaining profit, I will earn profit of 2000 rupees because I have short sell my position. The contract what I have entered, I have told that I knew that the price will fall, the value of the dollar will fall, therefore I am gaining out of this contract rupees 2000. But if on the contrary, if the US dollar would have appreciated against rupee, then I would have end up making a loss. So I would have incurred loss. This is how exactly happens in foreign exchange market. A person will be gaining, few people will be also losing. So it all depends on how you analyze logically the fluctuations in the exchange rate. So you need to study that particular country's trade mechanisms, the dynamics that are there, investment, business opportunities. All these factors should be considered while determining the exchange rate. So when any person wants to trade, he should have full knowledge of the forex market, how exactly it works, and what are the mechanisms that are there, and also about different countries where in which country's currency he wants to trade. Thank you.